Good morning, YouTubers. This is my latest solar project. It's a solar generator box. The box is ready made. Just arrived a few days ago. I did some modification to it by supplying it with a charge controller, deep cycle battery 70 amp, which is inside, power meter, and a DC-AC inverter. This is a 500 watt inverter, and because it's a little bit heavy, the system here, unlike the previous one that I made, this is also portable, but the battery is a little bit heavy. It weighs around 30-35 kilograms, not sure. So I added to it a trolley, the one that you use it to transport your luggage. So with this little trick, I can move around comfortably. So let's see details of this guy here. I installed a main switch to kill the system if I want. This is an on-off switch. The charge controller here is a digital one. It reads the parameters of the system. Currently I'm getting, let's see what am I getting. It's difficult to focus and get clear shot because of the reflection. I'm getting roughly 4 ampere, 4.1 per hour from my 85 watt panel there. The voltage of the battery is 14 point something, 14.5 let's say, and temperature outside is 28. It's early in the morning, about 9 o'clock here in Kuwait. A very sunny day. That's good for harvesting some clean and free energy, and there is no load consumption. It reads 00. So that's the system here. The power meter also. I haven't connected the meter yet to the generator, but it's currently connected to the charge controller. So this way I can read all the DC load coming from the battery in regard to the amperage, to the wattage, voltage, and analyzing the whole numbers that's giving me. I think I will move it in the future, or maybe I'll install another one after the inverter here. Sorry, before the inverter. So to get to read the load that the inverter is taking from the battery. So, and the inverter here is also has a separate on-off switch. That's for the protection of the inverter from sudden turn on. So let's turn it on. So now it's on. Power is on. Turn on the inverter switch. Yeah. So it's a 500 watt inverter, getting some AC power here. Power here in Kuwait is 240 volt. That's an AC socket here. I use it for charging my laptop, my mobiles as well. All right, let's see. And here is the feed line. This is a 2 watt LED lamp, and the rest is 5 watt lamps. There is 5 there, 5 times 5, so this would be 25 watts. I'm not consuming much of a power here. As I said, it's a 500 watt inverter, so I have plenty of power remaining, and I'm lighting up my corridor here, my garden here at night. Those lamps are doing good job. LED lamps, beautiful warm lamps. Yeah, that's my HF antenna. I'm on a bundle 20 meter on a 30 meter tower. Yeah, that's another story. Okay, this is my beach house here, and I'm enjoying a lot my solar projects. I stay here over the weekends and enjoy working with solar projects, in addition to my ham radio. and the other hobby of photography. Yeah, let's get back to the main subject here. As I said, the battery inside is a 70 amp gel battery, the deep cycle battery, and the panel down there is 85 watt. Yeah, very generous sun we're getting here. Beautiful solar energy. Yeah, it's very sunny, 9 o'clock in the morning. That's the whole story here in Kuwait. Yep, don't know what else I can add, but as I said, the battery box is already made, and it got a circuit breakers and a battery tester. I'm not sure if you can see the parameter here. Yeah, it's full. Yep, and those are 60 amp circuit breaker, and here a 10 amp circuit breaker. It's supplied with DC socket. Yeah, that's very clever, and water resistant as well. That's another socket here, and I got 2 posts here to go directly to the battery. I can jump my battery here or jump other batteries if I want directly without going through the controller. Don't know what else I can add, but that is the system here. It's portable and very handy. Can use it outdoor. Definitely I'll be installing another one before the charge controller, like this watt meter down there, so I'll have 2.